Hello, baby. This is the Blue Point exotic short hair little girl. She's out of Kenny and Ave Maria. Very well built little girl. Come here, honey. I see what you got here. Crystal clear coat, little teeny tail. She's very well balanced. Hi, honey. Hi. She is 3 weeks old right now, so bear with me here. She's kind of hard to keep in place. Come here, honey. Oh, hey, honey. Hi. Beautiful eyes, beautiful expression. Really nice eye color right now. Oh. Oops. Hi, honey. You wonder where mommy's at, huh? Okay, I know. Okay, baby, come on. Look up, honey. Hi. In about another week, she'll be all over the place. Hi, honey. What a pretty face, huh? Say, I'm a pretty one. Yes, I am. I'm a pretty one. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay, Daddy. Hi.